Are you stuck in the house and feel trapped? Do you worry about getting in and out of the house safely? Are the front steps like a mountain that you cannot climb? Don't be a prisoner inside your own home. There's no need for despair. National Ramp gives you your freedom back. Your dreams of freedom can become a reality. Enjoy your family and friends. Celebrate life with our beautiful color choices and any configuration. You can have your freedom back. National Ramp is safe and slip resistant in rain, sleet, and snow. Rainy days and puddles are nothing to fear. The unique open mesh ramp design of National Ramp allows rain and melting snow to pass right through. National Ramp's surface is safe for anyone and everyone. It's the safest ramp surface in the industry. National Ramp's unique mesh design is easy to clean in the snow. Lots of snow? No worries. National Ramp's open mesh surface means less snow on your ramp, and it's so easy to clean off. The snow goes right through the ramp, giving you and your loved ones the safest ramp surface on the market. With National Ramp, you can expect quality craftsmanship. National Ramp takes pride in building your ramp to make it perfect for your home. Our installers are trained in the field with our certified technicians teaching them the best installation methods. National Ramp is strong, safe, and sturdy. National Ramp takes pride in our quality, our craftsmanship, and our reputation. National Ramp installs in hours. Do you need a ramp today? Get it today. National Ramp can install your ramp professionally in just hours, not days or weeks. So you can start enjoying your new ramp today. Get your freedom back, or give the gift of freedom to your loved ones today. Start living the life you've always dreamed of. With National Ramp, you can get back to work, back to your colleagues, and back to your companions. Let a new day begin. Enjoy the sunshine of your new freedom to go wherever your dreams may take you, to places far away or just around the corner. To enjoy your new freedom and your new life, contact National Ramp today. National Ramp.